Welcome to the Azure Data Engineering Interview Series. I'm your host, and today we'll be diving into discussing an Azure Data Factory pipeline architecture with Azure Data Engineering expert. Let's get started with this technical interview discussion. Can you explain the architecture of an ADF pipeline you have built? What components did you use and why?
Sure. I recently worked on a data ingestion pipeline using Azure Data Factory. The pipeline consisted of several components: Azure Blob Storage as the source, Azure Data Lake Storage as the destination, and Azure SQL Database for some transformation tasks. We used data flows in ADF to handle complex transformations efficiently, and Azure Databricks for running advanced analytics on the data before loading it into Azure SQL Database.
That sounds like a solid architecture. How did you ensure the scalability and performance of this pipeline, especially when dealing with large volumes of data?
To ensure scalability and performance, we leveraged Azure integration runtimes in ADF to distribute the workload across multiple nodes. We also monitored the pipeline using Azure Monitor to optimize performance. Additionally, we implemented partitioning strategies in Azure SQL Database to handle the large data volumes efficiently.
Great approach. Did you encounter any specific challenges during the development or execution of this pipeline, and how did you address them?
One challenge we faced was managing dependencies between different activities in the pipeline. We addressed this by using ADF's built-in scheduling and dependency management features to orchestrate the workflow effectively. We also optimized data movement by using Polybase to load data from Azure Data Lake Storage into Azure SQL Database in parallel.
Thank you for watching this interview discussion. I hope you found it helpful for your interview preparation and career growth. For more technical interview questions and content, please follow the Clear Interviews channel. Good luck with your interviews.